Hi, so I had a couple of questions sent my way recently. One gentleman asked me what he could do about his large fingers. It's hard for him to squeeze all his fingers into the right positions on the fretboard. That's a really honest question, and I have an answer for you because fretboards don't get any wider than they are as much as you might like them to. So there's an alternative way to finger some of those basic folk chords, and let me show you now. All right, for our beginner guitar lessons, two chords that we have played that use our fingers in tight ways would be, first of all, the A chord, with all three fingers squashed into the second fret, string 4, 3, 2. And that can present a problem for some people, especially adults with larger hands. And my gentleman friend who asked me for a way around this, here it is. We're going to just use one finger, one knuckle on that finger to play those three strings. It'll take a little wiggle and practice, but you'll get the feel of it. So instead of A like that, you can do one finger, and you could choose which finger you like better. I would suggest doing it with finger 1, and here's why. You can easily transition into a D chord, and because in the key of A and also in the key of D, you will often use A and D together in the same song. Here's what we do for a D chord: string 1, string 3, and string 2. If you have larger fingers, it might be easier to press down on these 3 strings and then just add your finger 2 on string 2. Now it's going to take a different kind of pressure, but if you have larger hands, then it's probably, you've got a lot of strength. So back and forth from A to D would look like this: A and D. You see how easy it is then to move back and forth instead of all 3 fingers and all 3 fingers. Again, this is only recommended for those who have larger hands. If you are of a normal size, just keep using all your fingers. It'll be better off in the long run, okay? Great.